To get started, head over to Trello.com where you'll land on your dashboard with all your boards and workspaces. At the top, click on the Create button and then select the option to start with a template. Next, click on Explore Templates to see a wider range of available templates. In the search bar, type Recruitment and you'll see a list of options. The one we're looking for is the Hiring and Recruitment template. It's usually the second result. Click on it to view the template details. This template comes with a helpful layout including sections like how-to tutorials, new applicants, interview scheduled, interviews in progress, offer sent and closed. Once you're ready, click Use Template and give your board a name. I'll just call mine my recruitment board, then hit Create. After clicking Create, you may see a pop-up asking you to connect Trello with Crumble and integration that enhances Trello functionality. Just click Yes, scroll down the permissions and select Allow. You'll get a confirmation screen. Go ahead and refresh your page to start using your new recruitment board. And that's it. Your recruitment board is now ready to go. You can add applicants and move them through different stages like interview scheduled, in progress, offer sent, and so on. It's a simple and visual way to manage your hiring pipeline.